Our today's topic is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group. The currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as a open source software. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. Bitcoins has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity, and thus carbon footprint used by mining, price volatility, and thefts from exchanges. Some investors and economists have characterized it as regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. In September 2021, El Salvador officially adopted Bitcoins as legal tender, becoming the first nation to do so. The word Bitcoin was defined in a white paper published on 31 October 2008. It is a compound of the words bit and coin. No uniform convention for Bitcoin capitalization exists. Some sources use Bitcoin capitalized to refer to the technology and network and Bitcoin lowercase for the unit of account. The Wall Street Journal, the Chronicle of Higher Education, and the Oxford English Dictionary advocate the use of lowercase Bitcoin in all cases. The unit of account of the Bitcoin system is Bitcoin. Currency codes for representing Bitcoin are BTC and XBT. Its Unicode character is B. One Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal places. Units for small amount of Bitcoin are the millibitcoin MBTC equal to 1 over 1000 Bitcoin, and the Satoshi, which is the smallest possible division and named in homage of Bitcoin's creator, representing 1 over 100 millionth Bitcoin. 100,000 Satoshis are 1 millibitcoin. Now let's come to the blockchain of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin blockchain is a public ledger that records Bitcoin transactions. It is implemented as a chain of blocks, each block containing a hash of the previous block up to the genesis block in the chain. The network of communication nodes running Bitcoin software maintains the blockchain. Transactions of the firm Pair X sends Y bitcoins to Pi Z and broadcast to this network using readily available software applications. Network nodes can validate transactions, add them to their copy of the ledger, and then broadcast their ledger additions to their nodes. To achieve independent verification of the chain of ownership, each network node stores its own copy of blockchain. At varying intervals of time, averaging to every 10 minutes, a new group of accepted transactions called a block is created, added to the blockchain, and quickly published to all nodes without requiring central oversight. This allows Bitcoin software to determine when a particular Bitcoin was spent, which is needed to prevent double spending. A conventional ledger records the transfers of actual bills or promissory notes that exist apart from it. But the blockchain is only place that bitcoins can be said to exist in the form of unspent outputs of transactions. Individual blocks, public addresses, and transactions within blocks can be examined using a blockchain explorer.